Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App not working. So gonna be a very fast one and a very easy one. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check first if the servers for Cash App is actually working. So you could actually go to the following website, which is status.cash.app, and from here you'll be able to see the status or the current status of Cash App servers. So here you see the send and receive money, the cash card, Cash App Pay, direct deposit, boost, and the add cash option here. As you can see in the add cash option, you'll see the issues detected. So if you're directly affected with the issues for this one, you just want to make sure that the status for this one is actually working. So if you're affected, you just need to wait for this to be fixed by Cash App, and from then on, if they get these issues working again or the issues removed from Cash App, you should be able to use or make Cash App work again on your mobile device. But if that doesn't work, then we'll have to do the other way around for this one. So the next thing that you want to do here is you want to contact Cash App support. So you could actually contact support by doing the following. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to tap the profile icon at the Cash App application itself and select support. And from the UI there, select start a chat and send a message regarding your issues on Cash App. So if you're totally unable to access Cash App itself, then you could actually contact them by calling the following mobile number or numbers. So here you can reach Cash App support by calling 1-800-969-1940 Monday through Friday 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST. You could also reach out to them via the @Cash App tag here on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, even on Twitch, Reddit, and Facebook. And you could also mail them by the following locations here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.